Hello, we are the location-based social media networks team from the Kellogg School of Management. Our project was to analyze how well your social media network mirrors your everyday life and whether your virtual friends are really your friends. We started by analyzing Gowalla, which was the original location-based social media network. We focused on 3 cities, New York, Dallas, and San Francisco. We aggregated data from 3,171 users in June of 2010. This is how everyone was connected within and between the cities. We studied 3 factors: the differences in users in our target cities, how hubs operate in the network, and how connections in other cities affect travel habits. In studying the differences between cities, we found that users in Dallas were far more connected with other users in their own city than out, while New York friends are more equally distributed within the city and without. However, as well as New York is connected between cities, overall they are not well connected in total. And comparing average degrees, which is your total number of friends, we found that New York was far below Dallas and San Francisco at just under 3 friends on average per user. In addition, New York has a much higher modularity than either San Francisco or Dallas. This means that friend groups are more clustered and isolated in New York. We also looked at hubs in the network. Hubs had more check-ins than the average user and also checked into their home city more. In looking at the travel patterns of those in the network, we found that they did travel to locations where their friends lived. However, the most checked-in locations outside their home city were airports. In fact, the average percentage of check-ins outside their home cities were far smaller than their percentage of friends that were located in that city. And while our sample was limited to 1 month, we did find that they did travel more than those with no friends in those cities. To summarize, our findings show that there is a difference in users between the 3 cities. San Francisco had the highest number of users and average degrees, while New York had the most friends outside their city, but have the lowest number of friends per user. In Dallas, users had the most friends inside their city and fewer distinct communities, indicating a more inclusive friendship network. In our analysis of the hubs in the network, we found that hubs checked in almost twice as often as non-hubs, indicating a positive correlation between the number of friendships and check-ins. Hubs also checked in more often in their home city, which could be why they have more friendships and are hubs to begin with. And finally, in looking at the travel patterns, we found that there is a positive correlation between social media friends and physical travel to locations. However, the increase in travel is only 0.198%, and check-ins at the airport might not be that relevant. Thank you very much. Have a great day.